So do you think AI will actually replace cybersecurity professionals?
In the cybersecurity field, AI is going to replace the task, not the defenders. If anything, it's just replacing tasks that were keeping the defenders from actually defending. With AI, it's going to change how you do the job, but not take over the job, at least in cybersecurity. Most of what burns our security teams is the toil. It's log review, alert triage, evidence gathering. So there is a ton of stuff that when something is happening, it feels like pulling the defenders away from defense. AI would help that. So defenders can do more of what they were actually unable to do before.
Where do you think most organizations are getting AI adoption wrong today?
Companies are handing over tools. Many organizations started onboarding AI like software when they should be onboarding it like staff. You wouldn't hire someone, hand them the keys to the kingdom.